How to turn on two-factor authentication in FxPro. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we will be learning how to enable two-factor authentication in FxPro app. First of all, launch open the FxPro application on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile name. And then once you do that, you'll come across this page where you'll need to click Security Settings. Now, tap on two-step verification option under Security Settings and click on Turn On. Right after you tap on Turn On, you'll enable two-factor authentication in the FxPro app. Now your FxPro account is more secure with two-factor authentication protection. Every time you log in, you'll need a special code sent to you via email soon after you enable this. So that's it. You've successfully done it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.